This is a like new one owner 2009 Hurricane Fun Deck 198 RE equipped with an Evinrude E-Tech 115. As you can see, the boat is in like new condition without any visual signs of damage. The engine is in perfect running condition with no known mechanical issues at all. The boat is also equipped with a full-size bimini top and a ski tow package, which makes it great for pulling both skiers and tubers. The boat is also equipped with an in-floor style live well, and the boat comes standard with chase style lounge seating with no visible signs of damage to any of the vinyl throughout the boat. The boat also has a tremendous amount of dry storage under all of the seats, as well as dry storage beneath the steering and dash consoles as well. The boat is also equipped with AM/FM stereo and CD player. Also equipped with the Lowrance X50 Fish and Depth Finder. It comes standard with gauge package including voltage, fuel, trim, and has audible visual alarms for over temperature and low oil pressure as well. This boat also includes a standard changing room, which also works well for storage for a porta potty if you have small children that you take out on the boat along with you. The boat accelerates very quickly and runs out on plane as well, as expected with a deck boat. Once on plane, the boat runs out at approximately 38 to 40 miles per hour at 5,500 RPM, which makes it work very well for pulling both skiers and tubers. The boat does set very well in the water, and with both rear and side entry gates, this allows for easy re-entry into the boat from the water, which works well for playing on the boat during the day while you're anchored, diving off the boat, swimming, getting back on the boat. As can be seen in this portion of the video, the boat runs in the water such that it allows the occupants a very dry ride. All in all, this boat provides exactly what deck boat owners expect. Fiberglass boat performance with the spaciousness of a pontoon boat. The great thing with this boat is that you can get all of this in a like new boat, all at a used boat price.